Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I need your help. So there are two handbags from Fendi's 25th anniversary baguette collection, and I can't decide between the two. The other day I went to my local Fendi store in downtown Chicago. I got a sneak peek of this collection, which we'll go into the first half, and then the last half of the video I will go over the two bags that I am deciding between and love to get your thoughts. Okay, let's get right into the video. There are some beautiful textures. You can really see the true artistry of these handbags. They really took my breath away. Now the bags that were truly standouts to me from seeing this in person, I would have to give it to this beautiful green. I love it in the sequin. I even love the glitter with the buckle. I think they did everything right with this baguette. It's not my particular shade that would go with my wardrobe, but I think this one is truly a standout if you love green and you can pull that off. Another one that I loved was this blue turquoise. Such a pretty shade of blue. It makes me think of my friend on YouTube, Madame Style. She would definitely love a handbag like this. I can't get over all the intricate beading work that's done here, and I love it how it's paired with the silver. Now another one that caught my eye, and it gives me the southwestern vibes, the colors, and it's so beautiful. Okay, let's get into my top two. I will tell you that I wasn't sure if I was going to find anything in this 25th anniversary collection, to be honest. Just my style tends to be more understated, more muted colors, and baguettes, I expect that the 25th anniversary would be much more out there and, again, bold colors, textures, but there were two that I was like, yes, I could see this in my collection, and I'm going to tell you why. Now the first one, I'm going to call it the Mirror Muted Color Circle Baguette. There are so many things that I love about this one. First, the colors. It's muted colors. You know, when it comes to colors in my collection, it's muted all the way. I don't even think I have a more deeper saturated color handbag at all. I don't. So every color in this baguette is muted, and you heard me talk about like more pastel yellows and more of that mint greens. It's all in there, and it's unique. I love how it's got more of these mirror circle. It's so interesting. It's got the interesting textures, the beading work, and I think my favorite combination is I love a good snake print. I always have, whether it's like leopard or snake print. I love that they added this to the straps. That's such a cool, interesting detail. And of course, you know, my favorite piece is going to be that buckle. They finished that baguette with a beige and silver buckle. I love how it just looks, this whole combination. I realize that some of you might think this baguette is a lot going on, but to me, I think I can certainly pull off this type of bag. When I was in the boutique, I actually had one of my classic type of outfits. It's very neutral. This is like an everyday bag to me. This is not a handbag that I'm just going to take out for the special occasion. And the other big draw for me is because it's so interesting. It's got all the things that I love in a baguette, and I do still subscribe when it comes to these baguettes. I think it's 25th anniversary and it's a baguette. It should be amazing. So, okay, the second one, I'm going to talk about the rose gold mini baguette. There are so many things I love about this. First, I love rose gold, period. I think it's Hermes rose gold that really turned me on to rose gold, and I love how it looks with my skin tone. So this shade I think would look pretty with many of the items in my wardrobe. This bag to me though, it's a more of a special occasion type of handbag, meaning when I'm going out to dinner with my husband, which we tend to do like every weekend, but this is not really a handbag I'm going to use day to day. I don't think a lot of you would blame me when I say that. I love how this one has the chain that I can wear crossbody with the strap. This is a little bit different from the last set of sequin baguettes. Now, I did have to return my last purple one because there was quality issues. I literally used that baguette maybe 3 times tops, and the sequins were falling out. This one looks to me like it's better made in terms of sequins. Just that purple one had a lot more spacing between the sequins, the circle sequins, so that was problematic. I like how this sequin is more in that waterfall type of style. It looks a lot more durable when it comes to sequins. I did return it, but I still want a sequin handbag, and I think if there is a sequin handbag to be had, I'd love to get it from Fendi. They're just such fun handbags. I'd love to get your thoughts between the two baguettes. Are you going with the muted color circle baguette or the rose gold mini? I really would love your help and any other thoughts below. Until then, I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.